My name is Burton Goldberg, and I'm a consultant to patients who have cancer. I did a book on alternative medicine cancer treatment in 1997 called Alternative Medicine's Definitive Guide to Cancer. 1,100 pages, 37 doctors who successfully reversed cancer using non-toxic substances.
You're on a mission with this book. What is that mission?
Well, when I was lying in the hospital thinking that it was the worst, and I'm a very upbeat, positive person, so it was so many people confirming it. I said to my husband, you know, I've been keeping a file on doctors who are curing cancer.
I've been very fortunate to have been selected by Suzanne Somers in her new book, Knockout.
I spent the last year interviewing these doctors and their patients, and so what Knockout is options. You know, when you are diagnosed with cancer, and I've been there twice now, you're only given standard of care. And so what I wanted to explore was, what if someone wanted to go alternative? What if somebody wanted to go integrative? What if somebody wanted to do nutritional?
You see, Suzanne used my book, Alternative Medicine Definitive Guide to Cancer, when she originally had breast cancer many years ago. And it put her on the road to recovery.
The point of this book is, as the patient, you need information. Right. It's your power. If I had taken this full-body chemo, where would I be? I'd be dead.
The book is Knockout, interviews with doctors who are curing cancer.
Suzanne's book is a must for anyone with cancer.
So why are they going after these doctors that have another way? That's what.
You say it's because it's a $200 billion industry, and there are people out there that don't want you to be well.
That's right. Don't want you to be right, because if these doctors, who I think, for me, are right, for me.
The pharmaceutical industrial complex owns our United States government.
And I keep getting attacked for this book, and I think, I'm out there saying, do you know that there's another way, that there are doctors who are having success, who are not loading people up on chemotherapy.
I've been studying medicine for 33 years, and I've gone to school with doctors. I have an honorary doctorate degree in humanity for some of the lives I've saved. I've done 18 books on the subject of alternative medicine, and I've done 5 films, one on stem cells, one on depression, anxiety, one on addiction, and of course, my film, Cancer Conquest. It is not a question of will I have cancer in my life. We're being poisoned to death and starved to death in a land of plenty. I've had cancer twice. The first time about 7 years ago, I had bladder cancer, and I treated it with Chinese herbs and enzymes. Now I have early stage kidney cancer, and it's in remission. Whether it's early stage or end stage, your cancer can be arrested and you can be put into remission. You never use the term cure, because once you have cancer, you have cancer. We all have cancer. It comes and goes. But ultimately, it's your immune system that will save you. And the doctors that I recommend pay an enormous attention to not only what caused your cancer, but to build your immune system, because ultimately, it's your immune system that will save you. Do you see the difference between integrative cancer treatment and conventional? They didn't even tell you to stay away from sugar. Sugar is what feeds cancer. I'm available as a consultant. I have a one-time fee of $250. I think you'll find it worthwhile. Visit me at burtongoldberg.com and see my film, Cancer Conquest.